Turning now to a national story, the Biden administration has officially announced its policy on COVID-19 vaccines for large employers. The policy fines employers who do not comply. Our Taggart Houck is following this for us tonight. He's joining us live in Greenville. Tag, there is discussion about the policy's future in the court system tonight.
Gabby, good evening to you. Yeah, states likely to sue this policy, but legal experts we've spoken with say they believe that this will survive in the court system.
We've been patient, but our patience is wearing thin.
Nearly 2 months after President Joe Biden's announcement, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration releasing a policy on COVID-19 vaccines in the workplace. Beginning January 4th, companies with 100 or more employees must ensure that workers are either fully vaccinated against COVID-19 or test negative for the virus at least once a week. Workers must get paid time off to get vaccinated, and employers will not need to pay for testing. People who have not been vaccinated must wear a mask.
I don't think any court out there is going to say, well, this is overbearing, overreaching.
Greenville attorney John Reckenbile said the policy will likely face legal challenges.
But I think they're all going to end up in the same thing. They're all going to be dismissed. There's not going to be anything that I see unless an employer or the federal government does not meet the ADA requirements or the religious exemption requirements. That's where you're going to see the real battles.
Governor Henry McMaster on Thursday.
I will issue an executive order barring any South Carolina cabinet agency from issuing or enforcing any vaccine mandate.
Some small businesses also feel pressure to impose vaccine mandates, according to Spartanburg State Senator Josh Kimbrell, who wrote this letter to the head of workers' compensation in South Carolina.
There's a lot of pressure being brought to bear by private insurance companies to force smaller businesses even to engage in these mandates. And I think that's wrong. And as a member of the Senate Banking Insurance Committee, I intend to make sure that does not happen. And if it does, we're going to put a stop to it.
And just within the last couple of hours, the state attorney general calling this policy, quote, garbage and unconstitutional. In Greenville, Taggart Houck, WYFF News 4.